You did everything right. You worked hard, contributed to your 401k, maybe even maxed it out every year. And yet, here you are, not nearly as close to a comfortable retirement as you should be. Inflation has eaten away your savings. The stock market isn't growing fast enough. And let's be honest, Social Security, not going to cut it. So what's the plan? Work until you're 80? Not an option. Today, I'm going to show you why traditional retirement plans aren't enough anymore and how crypto can help you catch up without taking reckless risks. Now let's get into it. For decades, people were just told, contribute to your 401k and you'll be set for retirement. But let's look at the reality. Your 401k is growing at 6 to 8% per year, but inflation, that's eating away 8 to 10% or more. You're losing purchasing power every year, and that's if the market does well. When the market drops, so does your 401k. But you know what doesn't drop? The cost of gas, groceries, healthcare. That's the real problem. The reality is most 401ks were never designed to make you wealthy. They were designed to keep you just comfortable enough to retire if you started early, contributed for 40 plus years, and got lucky in the market. What if you don't have 40 years? What if you're 50 or 60 and you're playing catch up? That's where crypto comes in. Now before you roll your eyes and say crypto is too risky, let's look at the numbers. The S&P 500 has averaged around 8% per year. Bitcoin, over 100% per year for the last decade. And this time, Wall Street's buying in. BlackRock, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, they're not investing for fun. They know where the future is headed. Now, does this mean that you should throw everything into Bitcoin? No. But even a small allocation of crypto can make huge differences in your retirement strategy. Okay, so if you're over 50 and you're behind in your retirement, how much crypto should you own? Here's a simple way to think about it. Let's say you invest just $10,000 in Bitcoin today. If Bitcoin does what it's done every other cycle, that 10,000K could turn into 20,000 or more. That's the power of 100% yearly returns. Meanwhile, your 401k is still crawling at 6 to 8%, giving you only 10,800 in the same amount of time. Quite a difference, huh? All right, so how do you actually start without making a rookie mistake? Here's your plan. Step 1, start small. Invest only what you're comfortable with. Start with 1 to 5% of your portfolio. Step 2, stick to proven assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, not risky meme coins or hype projects. Step 3, use a secure wallet. Keep your assets safe with a hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor or a Tangent wallet. Step 4, have a long-term holding strategy. Think in 4-year cycles. The people who win in crypto aren't traders, they're investors. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about catching up and securing your future. The earlier you start, the better your chances. But let's be real. The biggest risk isn't investing in crypto. The biggest risk is doing nothing. Every year you wait, your money buys less. Your retirement accounts, not keeping up. The people who take calculated actions are the ones who win. So the question is, are you going to let time pass you by? Or are you going to take control of your financial future? All right, if this hit home, here's what you want to do next. Watch this video to learn why you are not too late to invest in crypto.